Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a 4K video to your True Social account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for True Social as well as a 4K video. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to truesocial.com. We can use the shortcut on the bookmarks tab, truesocial.com, and make sure that you are signed into the account. So now what we will do is minimize the web browser for the moment. Locate the video you intend to upload to the True Social account. There we have it. This is a 4K video. Right click the video, get information, and then we can see the dimensions 3840 by 2160. Let's close get information, double click the video, and there we have it. Quit QuickTime Player. Now let's go all the way around to the dock again. Go back to the web browser Safari. Let's compose. Let's decrease the size of the web browser. Take the video, drag and drop in order for us to compose a truth. Now let's say this is a 4K video. Hashtag Computer Science Videos. .4K video. Click on truth. This will now upload to my account. The truth has now been posted successfully. So if I now right click the page to reload, there we have it. The video is on my account. We can play this if we wish to. We can increase the size of the video itself, and there we have it, full screen, 4K resolution. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.